for the commitment, the RDC, the sector works, the healthy trees along the stress, the belt where security road is passing. For the commitment that they have shown, they're the one moving to direct where the graders will pass, including the LC1. One commercial, for full woman, adada fitit no pay, motica temu, bami ubu. No come down put no one in the door, kello, tieba, to the five more time, you kello don't kiri diri, but you rock on you to teach.
That was Stanley Kelly, huh?
Some the kello, Minister Maner, local to keep back where to Of for a matter, follow me.
Thank you.
Yeah, Honorable Minister of State for Works and Transport, and our very own Minister of State for Economic Monitoring in the Office of President. Honorable Minister, I'm very grateful for the outcome. Because if I delegate her to communicate to His Excellency, it will not be very, very effective. Explain to him that the love affairs between the people of Gabo and His Excellency, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, is because of the pacification of this area.
So there is too much love now.
Yes, the love. And there is only one factor. Museveni has made it possible for the people of Agagu to settle or resettle in Cameroon, Adompi, Kaket, Boriken, all these places. And that's why they love him so much. These are very, very fertile pieces of land, but because of the insecurity, our parents and foreparents were displaced. They can far